Okay, this is the parcel. Take a look. This is the parcel. We just receive. You know, customer just return, and we just open and take a look. Oh, terrible. See. Okay, the sale is open. The customer opened the sale already. Oh, wow, you see everything in a mess. You see everything is in a mess. Anyhow, the customer anyhow put inside. Okay, let's see how we install it. Okay, very simple. This one, oh here, this one the customer makes very dirty. Okay, this one is a metal plate. Very simple. Okay. Okay, this side down already. Okay. Okay, this side down already. And we do the other side. Okay. Okay, done already. Okay. Let's open and see. Okay. Okay, nothing wrong. The customer don't know how to use, don't know how to install and make everything inside in a mess. You see, no problem at all. Okay, take a look, no problem at all. Okay.